Hi everyone. I wanted to show you a quick example of how the Accessibility Handbook for Teaching and Learning can be really helpful when you're working with UDOIT to remediate course files. On my UDOIT page, if I review my course files, I can see that I have a Word document and it says the file doesn't include headings for structure. Okay, well, let's review that. I get a dialog box, and again, there's the error, no headings for structure. When I hover over the information icon, all it says is this file does not have headings, and those help screen reader users navigate a large document. Okay, well, that doesn't tell me how to fix my file. So I'm going to check out the Accessibility Handbook for Teaching and Learning, which is linked in your additional resources in the final module of the Accessibility 101 course. Now, instead of clicking on Read Book, which will take you to the first page, scroll down to the contents. It's going to come up as a pretty big list of contents. It could feel overwhelming, so let's hide all contents and just show the list of chapters. What you want to look for here is what type of document do you have? What tool are you using? So if you're fixing issues in Canvas, you could select Canvas, but if you have uploaded files to Canvas, you're probably looking at Word, PowerPoint, or PDF, most common things. In my case, it was Word, so I'll use the plus sign to open the Word chapter. Then my list is very short. Headings are a structure issue. If it was telling me that I needed a title, that's a document properties issue. Since I know I have a structure issue, I will select structure, and the first thing here is headings, and I can read about what I need to do. Essentially, I need to use the Word Styles gallery to set the headings. So when I open the document in Word, instead of having an item of text that is bigger and bolder, but it shows the normal style, I will select an appropriate heading level. Do that throughout the document, and I fix the problem. Then I can re-upload the document into Canvas. In fact, when I review this issue, UDOIT actually has replaced this file with an uploaded file. So download the file, fix the headings, replace the file with an uploaded file. At the time you do that, UDOIT will rescan the file, and this issue will disappear. And that's a great way to use the Accessibility Handbook for Teaching and Learning to help you when you're using UDOIT.